Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. On today's video, I wanted to share with you guys how I store my ephemera. I always get asked, like, where do I put all my ephemera? How much ephemera do I have? So I have this little system where I keep the majority of my ephemera. I do have individual packs aside, and I also have a set of clear drawers filled with ephemera, but we're not going to go through that today. I just want to show you guys what I have in here, and I just thought it would be fun to show you guys all my ephemera. And keep in mind, I do print and cut a lot of my stuff, so there's a majority of things that get sent to me, things that I buy in store, and also stuff that I print and cut on my own. So this is what it looks like, and you get all these little boxes that look like this. And I picked this up at Michael's, and when it was on sale, I got a really good deal. I think I got it for like 20 bucks. But it's amazing because it holds all, like, a bunch of ephemera. And I labeled most of them, so I think there's just one that is not labeled. But yeah, you guys, I thought it would be fun to go through it. So I'm going to take this off the desk because it is taking a lot of room, and move one box at a time. Okay, so we have this one here, and this is light blue. And as you can see, in this one, we have, like, I should have put like mint green because it's all mint green ephemera. And whenever I want to create a project and I need this color, I know where to go because everything is in here. Do I go to it as often as I should? No, I don't. I am a bad girl. I go to what's next to me right away, so, which I shouldn't. I should go to what I have here that needs to get used. This one says Dear Lizzie and Maggie Holmes, so this is all like Dear Lizzie and obviously Maggie Holmes flowers and stuff like that. So that's everything that's inside here. And also some other, like, I think cut aparts. You guys see that? So far we have these two. This one says, oh, these are all die cuts from my friend Laura. She always sends me a bunch, so she has like her own little box. Like, that's how many die cuts she's sent me, and she's cut out for me with her cuddle bug and stuff. So they're super cute. They're like little images from like the Etsy shops and stuff. Can you see them? Let me see if I can. Yeah, they're super cute little cutouts and stuff. This one doesn't belong here, but yeah, these are all from her, and this is some that are like packaged away. These are all from my friend Laura, and that's why I have Laura's die cuts. And then we have pink, and I think I have multiple pink because I have a lot of pink ephemera. So here's like pink and purple. You see? This big piece is huge. And if there's some random colors there, it's because I was messing with my ephemera the other day and it just got a little crazy. Here's another one that says pink. Yeah, I see. I have so much, you guys, it's insane. And sometimes I get so overwhelmed that's why I think I use whatever I have on hand, because going through all of these can get a little overwhelming. We have green. And this is what that looks like. If I went through all these pieces, like on camera, we would be here forever. But these all have like little accents of green and stuff like that. Little page flag. That's what it looks like overall. Then we have, these are just like a bunch of words. So we have just like anything that comes with words and stuff. Well, that clock doesn't come with words, but like love, life, just big or small, they're all a bunch of words or phrases. Let me see if I can close that like that. Yes, I can. That's that one. This one is brown and black ephemera pieces. You see that, you guys? All like brown and black ephemera. That's that one. This one is like vintage coupons and stuff like that, vintage papers, and then like a bunch of mason jars and coffee cups and stuff like that. Then we have red, I think it is. Yeah, some red ephemera. I have most of my red out right now because of Valentine's Day, so I have it in another drawer. But that's what it's looking like there. Then we have blue. This is what the blue one looks like. Anything with little blue accents is up in here. This one's stuffed. And I don't even like blue like that. This one doesn't have a label, but it's just a mixture of like vintage tickets. I love like vintage ephemera. I cut a lot out from Pinterest. See, these are all like vintage style. And then we have some orange. There's a bunch of orange ephemera. Not too much orange. How cute are these skates, you guys? Aren't these cute? See, I get sad when I see that because I'm like, you should have been used that already. It takes you forever. And this is, I don't know, no label. But, just random, excuse me, random pieces that have been sent to me. Picture frame and stuff. These are just all like anything that I got in Happy Mail. I put that in there because I had this one empty. And then we have some yellow. Yellow tickets, a little lemon, a little chickie. That's my little yellow box. And then the last, but definitely not least, is this one, and it says vintage. So this one has like more vintage inspired ephemera. We got some little measuring, little vintage doll, bunch of typewriters and stuff. But yeah, you guys, that's how I store my ephemera, and that's what my collection is. My majority of my ephemera is at. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to thumbs up, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye.